Roberta here with Anthony Falco.
What's up?
Cornering him while he's making pizza. What kind of pizza are you doing, Anthony?
Right now I'm going to do our number 3. And it's a mushroom pizza. And it's white wine lemon cream. Which is garlic, white wine, red white wine vinegar, butter, cream, lemon zest. And then we've got some mushrooms here that we roast. It's cremini, oyster, roasted with salt, olive oil, black pepper, red wine vinegar. And then we're gonna put some fresh mozzarella we made from Belagiosio curd. We stretched 16 grams a pound, salt, sea salt. Put that in there, fill in the gaps. And our crust is 50% Lancelot, Galahad, and then there's a 10% inclusion of freshly milled 1109 Skagit Valley hard red winter wheat from the Washington State Bread Lab.
Galahad is a King Arthur pizza flour, correct?
Yeah, it's sold in like retail stores as King Arthur all-purpose. It's an all-purpose flour, but it's malted, so I really like that for pizza because it gives good color and it's like really reliability because we're doing natural fermentation here, so there's no commercial yeast. Fire number 3, please.
How much hydration in the dough?
It's 67% hydration, but then it's 15% starter that's like about 100% hydration, so if I had to say total, it's something probably like 73, and then there's 7% oil, so there's a lot of fat in there. Some people count that towards hydration. I don't know exactly how that works. Thank you, sir. Oh my God. Keep forgetting the parm. That's a good oven guy right there when he reminds you of something that you forgot. Keith from Amelia's Pizza, Berkeley. We got all-star team. Pete Litchie, Angela Womack over there, Noel Brunner.
Okay.
Rad times. Okay.
So you start, you balled your dough. Now you're going to stretch it. Use like a little soft bongo technique on the dough.
Yeah, soft bongo.
Where did you start making pizza, Anthony?
Started making pizza professionally at Roberta's in Bushwick.
One of the most famous pizzerias.
Yeah. Yeah, I was there for a long time. It's good times. A lot of great people there. A lot of great pizza makers come in and out of the door. A lot of great chefs. A lot of great front of house service people. Really an incredible group of people that I've been lucky to work with over the years there at Roberta's.
What kind of pizza does Roberta specialize in?
It's wood fired, you know. We also, you know, I think what we were trying to do was use techniques that we liked that may have been Italian or not. But at the end of the day, make pizza that we wanted to eat that was American pizza, using local ingredients if possible, but not trying to constrain ourselves. That was what I thought of it. I mean, it's, you know, a lot of different people had a lot of different ideas of what kind of pizza was being made there, but it's hard to put labels on things like that.
And you kind of decided to move on and become a consultant in order to share your knowledge of pizza?
We had creative differences, and it was great. Everything, I love so many people that are there, and I wish them nothing but success, continued success. But I didn't really know what the next chapter was, and then people started reaching out to me, and consulting started happening, and it started happening internationally, and so I called myself an international pizza consultant, and it has a nice ring to it. Started an Instagram, now it's a job.
Okay.
Made it up. Hey, you can make up your job. This is the thing. I don't know if you know that. Anyone who's watching this, if you have a job idea, just make it up. Don't wait for somebody. I had one job working out of the country in Brazil, and I called myself an international pizza consultant. It was totally true. But then it became for real. Now I've worked in over 10 countries. India, Bangkok, Brazil, Colombia, Panama, going to Mexico City. It's been great. I'm super lucky.
What else are you putting on this pizza?
So this is the number one. It's kind of our idea of like a plain cheese pizza or a margarita pizza or a mashup of the two. We've got low moisture mozz polio. We've got fresh mozzarella, Belagiosio, Alto Cucina tomatoes, fresh basil from California, Parmigiano Reggiano from Italy. All right, we got number one for fire, please, sir. Thank you. Go talk to Angelo. He's another guy at Rad Times Pizza. He's over there at the Expo. He's going to be fun. Go talk to him.
Are you sure? What are you working on now?
Anthony, how about some tips for the home pizza maker?
We can give you some, I'm working on giving some tips to the home pizza maker right now. This is Gaetano, owner of Belagiosio.
Hi, Gaetano.
The best mozzarella. In my opinion, whatever. In America, sometimes you go to a different country.
I agree also, by the way.
Yeah. In Brazil, I use Brazilian mozzarella. In America, I use American mozzarella.
Makes sense.
Right. So, tips for a home pizza maker. Try to make mistakes. That's an important thing. If you have something you're comfortable with, change it up. See what happens. Mess up. Then you know the variables, the different directions. You never know until you try it.
Those are some great tips. Anthony, tell me how people can contact you, get in touch with you, find you.
Instagram's a really good way. Just follow me at millennium_Falco. 2 L's, 2 N's. It's like Millennium Falcon, but with no N. And yeah, just follow my Instagram. There's some tips there. We got some videos coming out on Rad Times Pizza. Follow Rad Times Pizza as well. We're gonna have instructional videos on natural leavening recipes. We're gonna give the whole recipe for our doughs, all these flavor combinations, open source. Keep educating. We've been really lucky to have so many people teach us things over the years, and we're just trying to pay it forward. Keep pizza to be an open community of awesome people trying to push the whole game forward.
Anthony, thank you so much. I'll put all links to Anthony's website and his resources below this video. Hey, Anthony, keep making pizza. Thank you so much.
All right, Albert. Thanks, man. Nice talking to you. Nice to meet you in real life. Right on. Thanks, man.
Anthony, thank you so much for sharing your worldview on if you want a job, just make it up, and your great pizza tips. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. I'll put links to all of Anthony's resources that he discussed below this video. In the meantime, while you're here, if you could show a little pizza love and subscribe. Pizza on Earth, goodwill to all.